In this guide, we will explore essential details about the 2017 Kia Soul fuse box. Where can you locate the fuse box in your vehicle, and how do you interpret the fuse box diagram? What are the different fuse functions and their corresponding locations? Fuse relay panel. The fuse relay panel in vehicles organizes and houses various fuses and relays essential for protecting electrical circuits. It facilitates quick changes and checks, ensuring operational safety and efficiency. Typically located under the dashboard or in the engine compartment, it's designed for easy access and maintenance. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel in vehicles is designed to withstand harsh conditions, protecting critical engine and accessory circuits. It includes weather-resistant features to guard against moisture and debris. Located near the engine, this panel allows for straightforward access for diagnostics and repairs. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.